Hey, it's Josie with Affirmation Pod, and this is where you get soothing affirmations to help you through every season of life. Whether you're new or you're coming back, it's great to have you here. And we have a number of you who are new and started listening at the beginning of this new year. So welcome to the Affirmation Pod community, and thank you for subscribing to Affirmation Pod. Today's episode is a request from those of you who are looking for more affirmations for self-confidence, but it's also for those of you who've requested this because you are rebuilding, rediscovering, and reconnecting with your confidence after a change or a setback. For some, it's a career change. For others, it's an injury or a health issue. Whatever it might be for you, be sure to use this one whenever you're feeling not so confident and not believing in yourself. So now let's relax, scan your body for any tension, and with each breath, notice yourself relaxing more. Here for you are self-confidence affirmations. I believe in myself. I can do more than I think I'm capable of. I am capable of achieving greatness. I have the power to accomplish more in my life than I ever have before. I create success by showing up daily. I have limitless potential. I am creating the life I want. I have so many incredible strengths. I am grateful for my unique abilities. I have so many spectacular talents. I rise to the occasion. I plan. I pivot. I persist. I make progress and I honor my progress. I am confident in who I am. I am secure in who I am. I am comfortable in who I am now. My confidence shines in all I do. My confidence runs deep inside me. I bring my confidence with me wherever I am. My confidence is growing. My confidence fuels me. I love my confidence. Sometimes connecting with our confidence means actually connecting with our fears and our self-doubt. Instead of crumbling under the weight of them, we can address them. So much confidence can come from doing something that scares us. Again, be sure to keep this episode with you whenever you need that confidence boost. If you're looking for this episode with no ads and no announcements, that's available for Premium Access members. Premium Access members get all the bonus episodes of Affirmation Pod with no ads and no announcements. Find out more about Premium Access or join today by going to affirmationpod.com/join. That's affirmationpod.com/join. Hey, it's Josie here. Thanks for listening today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to play another episode right now.